Today in this video, I'm going to show you how Quotex OTC chart actually follows smart money concept, and in this video, I'll be taking real trades using liquidity sweep, also known as sweep entry, one of the most powerful concept to catch precise reversals. You are losing money because there are small hidden message every candle is telling, and I will be revealing the secrets in this video. So I want you all to watch every single detail without skipping the video. So without further delay, let's get started. In this particular currency pair USD BRL, I have executed a put entry directly at the opening of the candle along with additional entry as my marginal safety entry. Why? Because I have identified something most traders completely ignore. The first confirmation here is the market structure. Market is clearly showing a bearish pressure, making a lower low. The previous low was broken, made a new low. So my bias is definitely towards put entry with the sellers. Now, even though there was a slightly shift in the smaller time frame, there was a slightly shift of market structure here at this point, but the candle swept the previous high with its wick, a classic liquidity grab, giving a strong indication that the market is likely to continue downward. This is why I have taken a put entry. Let me win this trade, and I will be explaining with a screenshot so that it'll be very easy for you to understand. Just as I anticipated, I have successfully won this trade. Even though the candle closed as a small green candle, my put entry was still valid, and here's why. I could have taken another put entry here, but first let me break down the logic behind this trade. The win came from two key factors: the gap and my margin safety entry, which gave me extra confirmation and protection. Now look at the market structure. The market has already created a new low, which clearly confirms a downtrend. So my overall bias remains bearish. And if you observe closely, earlier the market was forming a continuation pattern, making higher highs and closing above previous candle bodies and wicks. But then something important happened. At a certain point, the market failed to break and close above the previous high. Instead, it only swept the level with wicks. No strong bullish close, no real continuation. And that's the key difference. If the candle had broken and closed above the previous high with a strong body, we could expect further upward movement, but that didn't happen. What we got instead was a liquidity sweep, and that often leads to reversal. That's exactly why I took the put entry, and that's why this trade worked. I hope you understood the logic, and let me see what the next candle has formed. Okay, you see the next candle is also a red one, because this green candle, we can consider that as an error candle. So now the market has forming a strong green candle, making a new high. And if this current green candle closed above the wick with a body, then we can expect the market to go up. So I want you all to look at the level of my cursor. If this current green candle breaks above and close above my wick, I will be taking a call entry directly at the opening. Okay, as you can see, this green candle has closed above the wick. There is no liquidity sweep whatsoever. So I can take a continuation trade to the upside, though the major trend is downtrend. But now the current trend is looking bullish, because the current candle has not swept the liquidity, but it has given me confirmation that the market has potential to go up. And also, if you see the green candle, it does not have any lower wick. It has not made any low than the previous red candle. So this is purely a bullish candle. This is not a exhausted bullish candle. This is a pure bullish candle, which we also call as bullish Maribuzu candle, which is why I've taken a call entry directly at the opening of the candle. And if the candle comes further little down, I'll be taking my marginal safety entry as well. But that didn't happen, and just like that, this is another winning trade as well. Now, I want you to observe that the current green candle is smaller comparatively. So market can go either direction. We will look for high probability setups. So let's see what the other currency pair is doing. You see there's a very strong bearish pressure going on. Market is printing red candles one after another. Why this is happening, I will tell you. Let me explain you the logic. See, at a certain point, there was a sweep by a red candle. The liquidity sweep happened. So market continuously printed the continuation pattern, making low again low. This is why market is going down. But the major trend is uptrend, correct? So my bias is towards up. So whenever there is a sweep happens in this kind of market, then I will be taking my call entry trade. So you see this current red candle has swept the liquidity of the previous level with a wick. I will be pinpointing that with a rectangular box. So let me fix my levels like so. Okay, you see here, this current red candle has not closed below this previous level, so market did not give me any continuation pattern to the downside. The first reason was the major trend was uptrend, so at a certain level market will definitely go up, and this was the point because the current red candle, though it looked a very strong red candle, it has swept the liquidity of our previous level. That's why there's a very strong chance that the bulls will take over and market will print a green candle, which is why I've taken a call entry, though my entry was a little bit late, but this is a winning trade. Now I have taken one more call entry right at the opening. Why? Because the green candle has closed above our red candle, so there was no sweep. This is a continuation pattern, which is why I've taken a call entry. And side by side, I want you to keep noticing the reaction of this current candle. Keep looking at the candle, because as I have mentioned in my previous video, the first 5 second and the last 5 second reaction of the current candle is very, very important. That reaction we will decide if we will go call or put. So market major trend is uptrend. My bias is towards call entry. However, if I get a strong rejection from the upside, I will not be taking any trades here to the upside. As you can see, this current trade is going to be a winning trade. However, I'm seeing that there is a very strong rejection coming from the upside, and this current candle is a spinning top, which is also a reversal candle, so I'll not be taking any more call entry right here. Alright guys, I hope you understood how sweep entry works in Quotex. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel, link is mentioned in the description box. I'll come back with another powerful video. Until then, keep learning and practice, and happy trading guys.